Hi, you're here with Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal. We're here today in Delaware, Ontario. We're going to vacuum the eaves trough. We'll show you what it looks like. We use a pretty safe way. It's just basically a shop vac attached with a specific hose, and it attaches, and we vacuum the eaves trough. I'll show you the camera. Show you what it looks like before we get vacuuming. You can see the leaves there on that side. And we just wanted to show you how easy it is. Now we can actually get to a 2-story level without ever having to step on a ladder, ever having to put the guys at risk or even the property of the homeowner. So here we go. You can see the leaves being sucked up right by the... Hey, welcome back. I just wanted to show you what it looks like after a few minutes of cleaning the eaves trough. So there you go. You saw the tools we were using. Pretty simple, straightforward tools. And that eaves trough's looking mighty clean. And it's really a wonderful tool. Again, it's safe, it's reliable, it's fast. And why don't you come take a look? Everything automatically gets sucked up right there. So you don't have bags to worry about. You don't have garbage around the yard. We'd love to help. We'd love to help you. If you have an eaves trough you need cleaning, give us a call. You can find us on legacyroofs.com. Thank you so much.